Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain you the training details and I'm going to reveal my strategy also. So check out the video completely. So here in this, अगर आपको अंग्रेजी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है తెలుగులో వివరాల కోసం మమ్మల్ని సంప్రదించండి తమిళ్లో కేட்கறதுக்காக எங்களை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. Friends, our goal is that after this training session, you don't have to attend any other training session. So, this is our main goal. So, this training is totally different from others' training. And to know that, check out this complete video. I will give you the complete details, strategy of what I trade. See, you can see my Telegram channel, and in this daily started this channel on May 6th, and you can see on daily basis I trade and show you with the order book and whatever strategy I'm using here. Daily I show the same account, whatever the strategy I'm using here. You can see the order book also, and see you can see the overall result also. So here I made 2 lakh profit in just 1 month with just one lot. You can see every day's performance. I don't skip not even a single day. You can see every day's performance. I'm going to reveal that strategy also, and I'm going to tell you how to choose the trainer. See, there are many people who give training in this field, and I will tell you clear points how to choose a trainer, and I will tell you charges and many more details also. So what you get in this training? In this training, I will show you how I made 2 lakhs. This is the same strategy which I showed you. If you want, check the order book and timing of execution, and you can clearly see that I'm trading with the same strategy. I'm going to reveal that strategy, how I made 2 lakhs in 1 month with one lot, and 3 more strategies which I personally use. And I'm going to teach you safe and very no emotional money management or risk management. See, and I'm going to teach you strong trading psychology also. Here I'm going to reveal the detailed step-by-step topics what I'm going to cover in the trading strategies. I'm going to reveal 3 powerful strategies but simple strategies which I personally use to trade, and 5-minute anytime trades. This is very important for people who are working and who have business and who are very busy in the day. If at all they have 5-minute time, they can execute the trades in that 5 minutes only. This is a separate strategy. This is different, and this is a separate strategy. I'm going to teach you that strategy also, and I'm going to teach you how I made 2 lakhs profit within just 1 month, the thing which I was telling you. And small stop loss method, I'm going to teach you all the strategies with very small stop loss. And how to make your own successful strategy, I'm going to teach you how to make your own successful strategy also. Here in the risk management, see friends, any training session you attend, they just teach you strategies, price action strategy, that strategy, this strategy. Strategy alone is not enough. Even if you have strong strategy and if you don't have money management system, the strategy will not work. So you should have risk management plan. So why traders fail when there is a strategy? I'm going to reveal that, and how to build a safe and no emotion money management. And it should not only be safe, and you should not be emotional. That kind of money management system or risk management system, whatever you call, I'm going to teach you that. And I'm going to teach you 2 very powerful techniques, EIIAT and ERIAT management system techniques. And I'm going to teach all the strategies almost with 1:2 risk reward ratio only, and even better risk reward ratios also, 1:3 and 1:4 also. So make money management for any strategy. Whatever strategy you build on your own, after this training you can make your own risk management system. And trading psychology, friends, even if you have a very good strategy and even if you have a good risk management also, and if you feel emotional, if you fear for the trading, then you can't be successful in this market. So trading psychology is definitely mandatory in this. See, only 10% is trading strategy. Remaining 90% is money management and trading psychology. Only 10% is trading strategy. Till now, you have been trading different strategies, which is only 10%. Remaining 90%, you just left it out. So, in this, we are going to cover those topics: how not to feel emotions like greed and fear. In every session, they will say that you should not trade with emotions, but they won't tell you how not to trade with emotions. In this, we are going to clearly see how not to feel emotions, what are the things required, and what's the trading psychology and how to get it easy. In this is not a difficult thing. We are going to teach you in a very simple and easy manner, and how to trade with big lots with confidence. See, many people fear for big lots. Once they put big lot size or risk more, they will fear. But after this trading psychology session, you will feel very confident in trading even big lots also. And exit a stock at the right price. Anyone will tell you the strategy to enter. They will say this is the target and this is the stop loss. But no one will follow that properly. They can't exit a trade. Example, I will give you a clear example. Let's take like they have told you to buy above the day's high. So this is the target and this is the stop loss. So once you buy above the day's high, if it is going above coming down, you will fear and exit here only. You won't follow the target and stop loss properly. But how to exit at the right price, we are going to learn in trading psychology. We are going to change the way we trade after this trading session. That is very, very important. You should not change the strategy. You should change the way you risk your money. You should change the way you trade in this market. So in-depth view of trading psychology and gain confidence in any market condition. People fear for risky conditions, and people fear when market is falling, people fear when market is volatile. And after this session, you can trade in any market and gain confidence and trade in any kind of market situation. And we will see many more details. See, the advantages of this training session is you can trade with confidence after this and feel no tension or emotions. There will be absolutely no emotions at all. So, and you can build your own money management system. We are going to teach you the risk management system, and after that, even if you have any other strategies also, for that strategy also we are going to teach you how to make your own money management system also. Money management or risk management, both are same. So here we are going to teach you 5-minute system and be calm, and this is important for busy people, and no need to attend any other webinar after this. So there are bonus section also. This is the bonus for you. And after the training, we are going to put you in the lifetime premium group access with daily tips with proper target and stop loss. This is lifetime free. And we are going to give you the scanner for the stocks. This scanner will help you choose the stocks very easily, because there are like approximately 200 plus futures stocks in NSE. So in that future stocks, you can't keep checking each and every graph like that. So we are going to give you free scanner and free AmiBroker guidance also. AmiBroker is a charting software. We are going to give you free guidance also for that, and complete training material for reference. And we are going to teach you heavy compounding technique for faster returns. This is very exciting topic, and you can see money multifolding very faster. And here I'm going to teach you that compounding techniques also, and very practical techniques, not just the figures, very practical techniques. I'm going to teach you the option strategy for Bank Nifty expiry. Bank Nifty expiry is a very exciting day. I'm going to teach you expiry strategy with very less risk. Whatever we are going to discuss in this training will be of very less risk. That is our main aim. Our main aim is to protect our capital first thing. So that is our main thing. We are going to learn money management, risk management, and trading psychology and training techniques also. So here, what are the requirements? See, you can invest any amount, 25,000 you can start, and you can invest 100 crores also. That is not at all a problem. And which segment you can implement these techniques in any segment: positional, intraday, MCX, and whatever, futures, Bank Nifty, MCX, Forex, wherever. And here I try to maintain 1:2 risk reward ratio in all the techniques. So which broker? Any broker is okay, perfectly okay. No need to open with any specific broker or something like that. Okay, the time of the training will be approximately 7 hours, and any flexible time. That means it is not a fixed venue or something like that where it's completely online training only. It's totally recorded session because it is given in 4 languages: English, Hindi, Telugu and Tamil. So here 7 hours, anyone can attend the webinar anytime at your flexible time, and this is totally recorded with live techniques and everything. So here what happens, you will have the flexibility and you can watch the webinar any number of times. So that will be a great advantage for you. So it is totally completely online training. This is recorded session and everything you can watch any number of times. It is like that. So daily time required 5 to 15 minutes or all day. See, we have one technique where 5 to 15 minutes is more than enough, and or you can sit in front of the market. There are few more strategies where you can sit in front of the market and watch it, and you can build your own strategies also. Number of trades, 2 to 6 trades approximately. We are going to strictly follow our strategy, and I am going to reveal this is average number of trades, and success ratio will be 70%. Friends, people will ask what is the accuracy of the trading technique. Accuracy has nothing to do with the strategy. Even with 50% accuracy also, you should be able to be in profits. That is what we are going to discuss in this training session. Very, very important, because accuracy 70%, 80%, that is not the thing. Even with 40-50% accuracy also, if you do proper risk management and if you have good trading psychology, then automatically everything will fall in place. So how much return expected? See, our duty is to wholeheartedly teach you. See, whatever I'm doing, I'm showing on daily basis. You can check it out in our channel. Even I show the order book also. So here you can check it out. And now I'm going to reveal the strategy which I use for trading. See, simple. I'm going to teach you 3 strategies. Safe money and risk management, I'm going to teach you. Strong market psychology, and how I made 2 lakhs profit in 1 month. You can check it out. In 1 month with just 1 lot trading, I have made 2 lakhs. You can check it out on daily basis. And I'm going to reveal this strategy now. That is the thing. I'm going to reveal the strategy. You can check it out now. Same strategy, I use it there for trading. You can check it out, that strategy. And the strategy of my 2 lakhs profit in a month. See, here I use W shape for buying, and I buy above this tip. Whenever a stock falls for 2% and it forms a W shape above this tip, I am going to buy it here if it is crossing here. Okay, friends, I am not going to discuss the total thing, because few people ask like what is the strategy you are using to trade here. I have shown the overall profit or loss I got on that day also. So you can see many other days strategies also very clearly. In that day only 1 trade generated. The next day many trades. I have done many trades, and you can see the profit also here. So 7,000 profit, 4,000, 4,000, 3,000 loss and 4,000 loss. And you can see all the days trading here live, clearly in live sessions. So here one thing you need to know is strategy. Everyone till now has been running behind the strategies. Strategies has nothing to do with the market. Market is a game of probability. We are going to learn that. See here, the sell strategy is M shape. The sell strategy is M shape, and I'm going to discuss this strategy in detail in the training session. How to pick up this M shape, how to pick up this W shape, and everything clearly. It is not just about the strategy, it is about the risk management, it is about the trading psychology. Everything we are going to discuss in the training session. But the basic strategy is I am going to buy above this tip, and I am going to sell below this tip. So how to find out this, and what is the risk management involved, and how is the psychology involved, we'll learn everything in the training session. And how to choose a trainer. See, many people are giving training in this market. Many people. But how to choose the right trainer? See, choose right, and what to see actually. Screenshots of the trades. See, many people, they show you single day strategy, single day screenshots, or single trade screenshots. You should not see that screenshots of single trade. Performance screenshot of 1 day. People will show whenever they get profit, they show you that 1 day screenshot. But that is not the thing required. They should show every day's performance. Every day's performance, they should show it to you. We are here, I am showing you daily performance, whatever I trade, with the same strategy, with the same strategy. I'm going to change my strategy till now. This is May actually. Until September also I've been trading the same strategy. Every day's videos are updated here, you can check it out. And see, even for September 4th video, until September I have followed this strategy. From tomorrow I'm going to change the strategy. I'm not changing the strategy because I can trade with any strategy, but what is important is risk management and trading psychology. That is the reason I'm revealing you the strategy here. So tips success. See friends, giving tips is very easy, because example, let's take like the same example. If at all he is giving buy about this, he will tell to buy here. He will give the target and stop loss here. And while the market is moving zigzag or something like that, majority of the people will come out, and after moving until this place, he will say book partially. So, and at any time it might come until here and later hit the target. You people fear and exit here, or you people fear and exit here. But that person, after hitting the target, he will say that my call is hit target. But thing is, fear and emotions play major role. Giving tips is very easy because he is not trading in his own account. He is not trading in his own account. Once he trade in his own account, real emotions come out. So tips giving is very easy. So don't fall in trap for tip success ratio or tips success or screenshots or like that. What you have to see, is he trading his own tips? Is he trading his own tips? See, that means teaching is very easy and giving tips is also very easy. But is he trading his own strategy in his account, and is he able to make profits? Is he able to make profits? So here what you have to see is whether he is able to make profits or not. See, here we also got some losses. Ups and downs are definitely common in this market. But see overall how much I made with the same strategy at the end of the month. And what he is teaching is very important, because many people just teach you the strategies, price action strategy, breakout strategy, this strategy and all. But strategy alone is not enough. If strategy is enough, why is everyone making the losses? Trading psychology is important, risk management is important. That is very important here. So you can pause the video and check out the topics once again. See, what he is teaching also is very important. These are all the things which I teach you in depth. Okay, and we are not going to waste any time, and in 7 hours we are going to teach all the topics, and you can watch those videos anytime. You can pause it and see what are the topics once again I'm covering. And again, fees is an investment, friends. It is not an expense. So you should look in that way. We are going to see the value of our training. This is not the fees, but I am going to tell you the value of the training. So here we are going to teach you 3 strategies. People take more money for that strategies, approximately 15,000. How I made 2 lakhs. See, this is a very important strategy. I am going to teach you in depth how I made that, and for that the value is around 20,000. Money management or risk management, both are same. That is very important, and no one teaches it for lesser, and it has a huge value, and we are going to discuss in depth. About that. And trading psychology, this is the major topic. And trading psychology, everyone will say don't feel emotions, don't trade with emotions. But I am going to teach you how not to trade with emotions. So that has very good value. That is not easy thing, but I will teach you in a very easy manner. And premium group access for lifetime premium group access. No one will give you daily free tips. I'm going to add you in free tips channel and paid premium group channel for free. No one has access except our paid students. So here, stock scanner I'm going to give you. See, there are 200 plus stocks in market in futures. You can't see each and every graph. You can't keep checking for the formations. So here what I will give you is the stock scanner and free software, which is worth 10,000 rupees also. And bonus section, there are many other compounding strategies which I'm going to teach. There are many other expiry day strategies which I'm going to teach. So that has a value also. And trainer goodwill, see, if at all a person who is able to make profits here, he has a trainer goodwill. That goodwill also adds to the value. So total value is 1,50,000. That is not that fees, and even it is not 25,000. It is 14,999. It is a huge value. Approximately in this you have got 90% lesser value, and this is extremely good value. You can't get all these things at this price, and this is a completely recorded session, and you can ask hundreds of doubts also. And if you wish to gain real knowledge, and if you want to have better edge over others, if at all you want to trade better than others, then contact us. And I'm looking forward to share my knowledge with you. All the best for you. I'm looking forward for your subscriptions. All the best.